Need to cancel Duolingo Plus subscriptions? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily remove or cancel it. You need to start by heading over to the settings of a device if you are using iOS device. Once you're inside settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Head over to subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you should see tons of different applications which you have bought the subscription of. If you have also bought the subscription of Duolingo, then all you gotta do is click on the application in this page. Right now, none of the application is available because I haven't bought it. But for you, if it is available, then click on it. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see the option of cancel or remove. Click on it, and then once again tap on confirm. After that, your subscription will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.